Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to speed up on your Samsung phone. So guys, for that go to your phone settings. Now swipe down and go to about phone. Go to software information. Tap on the build number as 7 times. Then your developer mode will be turned on. Now go back and go to developer options. Swipe down. Now go to window animation scale and select animation scale 0.5x. Go to transition animation scale, also select this 0.5x. Now go to this animator duration scale, this one also select 0.5x, and then your phone speed will be increased. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.